If your Squarespace asset library is giving you trouble and your images are not loading properly, showing errors or refusing to upload, this video is going to walk you through the fastest fix step by step. We'll cover the most common causes, how to temporarily disable anything that may be blocking your editor, how to refresh your site, and how to re-upload the image correctly so you can get back to editing without wasting time. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, understand that this kind of issue is often not actually a Squarespace bug. In many cases, the problem comes from browser extensions, ad blockers, tracking protection, or cookie rejection tools that interfere with the editor and block your assets from loading correctly. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser's extension settings dashboard. This is where you can manage anything installed in your browser that may be affecting Squarespace. Once you're in the extension settings, temporarily toggle off all ad blockers, tracking shields, privacy tools, or automated cookie rejection extensions. Even if these tools are useful for everyday browsing, they can sometimes stop Squarespace from fully loading the asset library or prevent images from appearing in the editor. The goal here is not to uninstall them permanently, just turn them off for a moment so you can test whether they are causing the issue. After that, go back to your Squarespace editor and reload the window completely. Don't just switch tabs or click around, do a full refresh so the page loads again without those blocking tools active. Then look for your assets and check whether the library is now displaying properly. In many cases, this simple step solves the problem right away. If the asset still isn't working, the next thing to check is the file itself. Squarespace only supports standard image formats like .jpg, .png, .webp, or .gif. If your image is in another format, that could be the reason it won't upload or show correctly. You also want to make sure the file is 20 MB or smaller and under 120 megapixels. Larger files can cause upload failures or processing issues inside the editor. If your image is too large, resize it before uploading again. If it's in the wrong format, convert it to a supported file type first. This is an easy detail to miss, but it matters a lot when you're troubleshooting Squarespace asset library errors. A file can look fine on your computer and still fail in Squarespace because it doesn't meet the upload requirements. Now, if the broken image is already sitting on your page, you'll want to fix the section directly. Go to the broken section on your page and click the placeholder block. This is usually the area where the image should be, but is not loading correctly. Once you click it, choose Add Image. Then re-upload the target file freshly instead of trying to reuse the problematic version that may have failed earlier. Uploading a fresh copy is important because sometimes the original asset may have been interrupted during upload, corrupted during processing, or linked incorrectly in the editor. Re-adding the image from scratch gives Squarespace a clean version to work with. After it uploads, check the section again and confirm that the image displays the way it should. If everything works after refreshing, checking the file type, and re-uploading the image, then you've successfully fixed the issue. The key is to work in order. First, remove anything blocking the browser, then refresh the editor, then verify the file meets Squarespace's limits, and finally re-upload the image into the placeholder block. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace fixes, website editing tips, and quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.